Buy HOPEMATE Skin Brightening Cream at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Helps fading of dark spots, blemishes, melasma, hyperpigmentation and evening out of skin tone on your face. Also can be used on the body for lightening or whitening of your armpit, legs, knees, hands, elbows, inner thigh, buttocks, bikini area and private intimate areas. If you experience irritation or rash, stop using and contact us immediately. Be careful of other brands' harsh ingredients and whitening serums, that burns, damages your skin, and can do more damage than good. HOPEMATE's superior formula contains highly effective natural and proven ingredients and are hydroquinone and bleach-free. This makes ours more potent while being gentle, safe and better for your skin. Kojic acid is proven to reduce melanin production, which helps to lighten skin. Other natural lightener ingredients like niacin, vitamin B3, green tea, olive leaf and chamomile extract are also proven to even out skin tone, improve radiance, help prevent visible signs of premature aging, help for removal of redness and dark areas, and may help for gradual whitening. The natural ingredients in our formula continuously provide nutrients needed to the skin to delay the appearance of premature aging like wrinkles and dark spots. You'll have brighter and rejuvenated skin after using Tetiana Dark Spot Corrector.